Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley with Adorably Shabby. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the video today. Today we are going to decorate my porch for Valentine's Day. Normally I don't really decorate for Valentine's Day much, just a little bit here and there, but I'm ready to get this winter decor off of my porch and put a little bit of color on it. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, everything is very wintry around here, so I'm taking all of this winter stuff down. My rugs are dirty, so I'm going to replace them with something new. I have these extension cords that go to the lights on this little Christmas tree and the spotlights that were in the yard. So I have a lot of things to take down, so I'm going to go ahead and get those down now. You've probably heard me say it before, but we get a ton of wind up here on this hill, so all my little trees and stuff are just kind of wind blown and look so messy, so I'm ready to get them off the porch. Now that I have everything taken down, I'm just going to kind of clean a little bit, and I need to sweep the porch off, and then we can go ahead and get started with some DIYs. So I'm at it again, guys. I'm making another doormat. This time I'm just using some red craft paint. I got it from Walmart, and I've actually had it for a while, so it's just some that I had sitting around. Also, the doormat is the same ones I used on my other video. It was just $5. I got it from Walmart as well. So this custom made Valentine's doormat only cost me $5. So this is a really, really great deal. And I suggest doing this free-handed. You can use stencils, but if you freehand it, it's so fast and you can just keep it simple. You don't have to complicate it, and it just looks so pretty. I got this super cute red and white check runner to go under my rug. I thought it was adorable. I got it at Amazon, and I'll try to link that below. It wasn't very expensive at all, so I just thought it would brighten the space up a little bit without having to do a ton of decor. So my next project is a pillow cover to go on my porch. So to do this, you're just going to need to find a stencil online, or you can purchase one that's already made. I cut mine with my silhouette, and I'm going to apply it to this canvas pillow cover that I got from Amazon. You can also get those at craft stores. And then you just need to find some type of fabric ink, or even you could use HTV vinyl and iron it on, you know, just whatever that you prefer to do. And if you don't want to do this DIY, but you want some Valentine's pillow covers, they have a ton on Amazon for really inexpensive. So sometimes you can get like sets of 4, and it's just, you know, maybe $10. So you just have to buy the inserts, and it's a really inexpensive decor. But for this one, I really wanted to make one myself, and I already had all the materials on hand, so I went ahead and did it. So now I've got my design on. I'm just going to dry it really quick, before I take the vinyl off. That just helps to not make a huge mess. And then I can go ahead and heat set it once it's dry. You can use a iron if you have one that gets hot enough, or you can use a heat press, either way. And that just makes your design permanent. So I needed something festive to go on my little table beside of my chair on the porch. So I decided to take this bucket that I already had, and I just cut this cute little gnome decal out with my silhouette machine, and I'm gonna put it on the front of the bucket, and it just kind of makes it cute and festive. That I had already made using a wire wreath form, some burlap ribbon, and then this cute buffalo check ribbon that I already had on hand. And I really thought this was so cute, and just kind of made it a farmhouse Valentine's wreath and gave it just a beautiful pop of color for the door. So I just wanted to take a minute before I ended the video to introduce you to my new friend. This is Remy. He's an old English sheepdog. And he's only 17 weeks old, so he's going to be really big. But I wanted you guys to meet him because he'll probably be in some of my videos in the future. But thank you guys so much for stopping by today. I really appreciate you. I hope you got some inspiration to decorate your front porch for Valentine's Day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.